Law enforcement agencies had received reports of two suspected devices, one each at the headquarters of the Republican National Committee and the Democratic National Committee on Wednesday. The FBI said this in a statement. Further, the statement also said that there were images of a masked suspect wearing gloves and a hoodie carrying the object. The FBI is offering a reward of up to 50,000 for any information leading to the location arrest of the said convicted. Unlike most European countries, Sweden has up to now adopted mainly volunteer measures to limit the spread of the virus, partly because the government has lacked wide-reaching legal powers to act. The newly law will allow the government to restrict shop opening times and, if necessary, shut private business and public transport and limit the number of people in public places like parks. The government will, however, not be able to impose curfews or a domestic travel ban under the new legislation. It had originally proposed the new powers would come into force in March but moved up the timeline to January 10th as the health services have come under renewed strain. As Tokyo entered its second state of emergency on Friday, less than 200 days before the start of postponed Olympics, many believe it will be difficult, perhaps impossible, to host the Games safely.
今の状況を踏まえると、できない可能性の方が高い。
The Japanese government and International Olympic Committee decided in March to postpone the Olympics by a year due to the novel coronavirus pandemic. The global sports showpiece will now take place from 23rd July to 8th August. However, a December poll by public broadcasters NHK showed that a third of Japanese residents want the games to be scrapped amid fears that an influx of foreign arrivals may cause a further spike in COVID-19 cases. The Louvre Museum in Paris, home to Mona Lisa and other world-famous work of art, suffered a 72% drop in visitors in 2020 compared to 2019 as a result of the COVID crisis. The Louvre said in a statement on Friday that its overall visitors number of 2020 stood at 2.7 million. The museum, like many others around the world, had to be shut down for much of the last year due to restrictions aimed at curbing the spread of the virus. Tesla Incorporation chief and billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk surpassed Amazon's top boss Jeff Bezos to become the world's richest man. Musk, who co-founded and sold internet payments company PayPal Holdings, now leads some of the most futuristic companies in the world. Besides Tesla, he heads rocket company SpaceX and Neuralink, a startup that is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect human brain to computers. For more news and updates, please check our link tree.